Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve the another pattern. So it's a square, and in the middle, the star lines will be there. So you have to print in this form the output. So it is a different kind of star patterns. That's it. So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let us get into the problem. So before getting to the problem, let me explain something. So, for example, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See here, every odd number is having the stars, right? And even numbers having only 2 stars, and there are 4 gaps, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a gap, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 gaps are there, and odd number having the whole stars, and the even number having the 4 tasks of space. And first line we are having the odd number is having the whole stars, even number is having only 2 stars and 4 spaces. And third is same, and fourth is again the same thing, 4 spaces are there. And odd numbers, 5 is odd number, and we are having 5 stars. So based on this, we have to write the just a simple if and condition. That's it. So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let's write the so import java dot little dot start. So if you want to take input from the user, we have to write scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. So int n is equal to sc dot next in. And so I have to write n rows is equal to should start from 1, right? It should start from 1. Start from 1. And it should be ends with less than or equal to n. Why? Because I'm writing less than or equal to n? Because we are starting with 1. So as I told you in the earlier classes, if we start with 0, then we have to write less than n. And if we start with 1, we have to write less than or equal to 1. I hope you understand. For example, if you start with 0, see here it is ending with 4, right? But it is 5 only. But it is 5 only. See here. For example, if I'm starting with 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's ending with 4, but the whole thing is 5 only. But if I start with 1, I have to include fifth option also, like 5 also. So here I'm starting with 1, so that's why I'm including up till n. For example, 5. If I take a user input 5, so I have to include 5 also. If I take 0, I have to travel only 4. But we are doing 5 steps. If you count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I hope you understand what I am saying. So after that, you have to write rows plus plus, and I'm traveling each and every row, and here I will write if condition if. So here every even number having space, right? So if rows mod 2 is equal to 0, then I will write system dot out dot print star. So I'm printing this star. See this star. I'm printing this star. And after that, I will go another for loop which starts with 0 and ends with n minus 1. So I will explain why I'm writing n 5 minus 1. So, for example, what is n? So what is n? N is a 5. For example, if we take 5. For example, if you take 5. So 5 minus 1, 4. 5 minus 1, 4. So I should be less than 4. You should not include 4. It should be less than 4. So count less than 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. How many spaces are there? 4 spaces are there, right? Including 0. Again, I'm saying our user input is 5. 5 minus 1, 4. I should be less than 4. You should not include 4. It should be up to 4. Means you have to go up until 3. You should not include 4. Less than means you should not include 4. It should be less than 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3. How many spaces? Count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. So then you have to write 4 spaces. So why I'm writing print, not println? Because everything should be in the same line, right? Everything should be in the same line. That's why I'm writing print. Here also you have to write print. So you want star spaces. How many of star spaces? 4 star spaces. So star space means this is a star space. 4, 3, 4. So this kind of star spaces you want. That's it. And after that, you have to print the final star, last star. So I hope you understand what I'm writing. So see here, I'm include the star by using system.out.print. And I have included the star and have given 4 spaces, and lastly I have printed the other star. That's it. Why I'm not using println? Because everything on the same line. That's why I'm writing like this. So the condition is completed. The even condition is completed. We have to write the odd condition. That's it. So else I will write else traverse from c is equal to 0, j less than n. See here why I'm writing less than n, because it's starting from 0. That's why I'm writing n. J less than n. You have to print 5 stars. System dot out dot print star with task space. So every time you have to give some sort of task space after printing the star, right? See here, I'm giving some star task space each and every time after printing the star. So for this space, I'm giving the tab space. That's it. And each and every time you have to go to the next line, right? So for that, after completing the else line, then you have to get system dot out dot println. That's it. It will print on next line. It will take up to 5 lines. So that's it. You have to give semicolon. Here also you have to give semicolon. That's it, friends. So we have to check. Let us run this program. So yeah, sorry. Let's run this program again. So if I give 5, see, program is completed. So we got the problem. So I hope you understand what I'm doing. So if you have any doubts, please comment in the chat. I will help you out, definitely. And if you find this video helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you will get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.